When you see the Park Brake Limited Function Service Required message on your Ford dashboard, it indicates a problem with your electronic parking brake system, also known as EPB. The EPB system replaces traditional mechanical parking brakes with electronic components. It includes a control module, actuator motors integrated into the rear brake calipers, and an EPB switch in the center console. Based on recent service data, EPB failures have four main causes. EPB motor failure accounts for 35% of cases, often occurring in vehicles with over 60,000 miles. Control module software corruption represents 28% of failures, typically triggered by voltage fluctuations during battery replacement or electrical system issues. Wiring harness problems cause 22% of EPB failures, often due to corrosion at connectors or wire chafing near suspension components. Finally, brake pad wear sensor malfunctions account for 15% of cases, frequently occurring when aftermarket brake pads are installed. When EPB problems occur, your Ford's diagnostic system generates specific error codes. These include P061B and P061C for control module issues, B2290 and B2291 for motor and sensor problems, and U0415 for communication errors. It's crucial not to ignore this warning message. A malfunctioning EPB system can fail to hold your vehicle securely when parked, potentially causing it to roll unexpectedly and creating a serious safety hazard. The first step in troubleshooting EPB issues is performing a comprehensive diagnostic scan using Ford-specific diagnostic tools to identify the exact error codes. Next, examine the EPB system components and test the motor current draw. Normal current draw should be between 8 to 12 amps during operation. Check the voltage supply to the EPB motors. A minimum of 10 volts is required when the EPB switch is activated, with 12 volts being optimal. Inspect the wiring harness for corrosion or damage, paying special attention to connector C2280, which is a common failure point in the EPB system. If the issue is software related, reprogram the EPB control module with the latest calibration files. Ford released Technical Service Bulletin 23-289 in March 2023, specifically addressing EPB calibration issues. For preventive maintenance, Ford recommends EPB system inspection every 30,000 miles and proactive software updates during routine service visits to prevent future issues.